That, or we could cut down like a street or two. I don't either. I think that's just a hydraulic clutch thing though. Yeah. We got the GoPro rolling. On the 2025 Nightster, eh?
It's a nice bike.
It is. The only thing I don't like is how the fuel tank isn't in where the fuel tank should be, and I understand. Right? I know. I know. Uh-oh, we may have a race on our hands, eh? It's not that hard to get it in gear, man. Look at that ass. I think that's he's showing the bitch he's about to go fuck. God, that flight looks good. Easy to do. Sometimes you gotta give her a little like double click.
That's not
Oh, it can. I don't want to either. But the way that front brake feels, like you feel like you're gonna go over the handlebars once you hit it hard. Push your hand on the thing again. I forget yours turned off, so I'm always clicking yours. Do we want to take it right here, or do we want to keep going straight? Alright. Yeah, you'll get that on that bigger job. Oh my god, it's so weird. Why am I feeling so straight up? I don't know where we're going, man. Alrighty. Oh my god, the brake fucking feels like it goes so much further in. That's a stop sign, dude. I don't know. Watch out, it's almost a roundabout. Oh my god, I feel so straight up. I don't feel like slouched over. This is a fucking V. No, that was mine. Oh, that's a red light, yeah, huh? A lot of bit. No, my tire definitely skidded. Definitely a God tier moment for both of us. Mine's sticky, yours is flat and sticky.
Flat?
Treadwise flat. Oh, he's coming. What do you want to do? Talk to him? Nice.
Hi. Oh, turn your GoPro off. Sorry, I've had refreshments. Like, you guys like want to ride?
Oh, I was just giving you the wave.
Oh.
We're just trying to figure out where to go.
What are you looking for?
I don't know.
I mean, I got some cheap whiskey and I got a bearded dragon on me. I got like 2 guitars at home.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, everyone else used to have a fucking penny as well. No one cares.
man.
Yeah, dude. Take care.
You too. Oh, my nuts. No, he said, I have some cheap whiskey and a bearded dragon. Bro had a bearded dragon in a backpack. And he wanted us to hang. Yeah, he wanted to go drink with us. I know, and he's like, I have 2 guitars. And I'm like, hey, dog, what? Well, I couldn't understand what he was saying. Then he goes, I've had a couple beverages. Ready when you are. I don't know which lane's best to be in. But I'm starting to think it's whatever lane I can fucking go through. Got the fucking 4Runner with underglow, eh?